Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can completely remove the CapCut watermark using a mobile phone. So here I've already on a CapCut app. So by default, if you start a new project on CapCut in here, okay, I'm going to add a video first, and in here at the end of your video there will be this default ending of CapCut. We show the CapCut watermark in here. So how you can remove it completely or permanently, you can just go back to the home page of CapCut. Now you can go to the Me options, click on the gear icon at the top, and here you need to turn off this add default ending option. So just click on a circle and tap on this card. Now you can just go back in here and start creating a new project again. So here when you do that, at the end there will be no CapCut watermark again. But in here, as you guys can see, if you already update CapCut on the latest version, now CapCut here will ask you to, you can see at the bottom of your video there will be this CapCut watermark, and if you want to remove it from your video, here you can see if you want it hidden or remove it completely, you need to be on the CapCut Pro version. So you need to join Pro or you need to pay for it or not, because if it's not, you can see that your video will have this CapCut watermark that you cannot remove from CapCut. But you can also just export it and edit it in another video editor apps to remove the watermark. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.